This is a worthy attempt at raw nutrition, but it's so much work. Too bad she doesn't know you can get the same nutrition from a small number of seeds. That's not exactly what I meant. Seeds hold the full power of a plant, flower, or fruit all in that tiny kernel. But you can't digest seeds whole. Sorry, man, they go right through you. Unless you take these seed-based supplements from Rain International. They've been proven to slow aging and limit oxidative damage in the body. Through a cold press process and grade A manufacturing, Rain International makes seed nutrition fully digestible and absolutely no work for you at all. It's raw, all-natural, powerful nutrition. Go ahead, drink to your health.